quite windy here. I'm sat on the balcony because the bed's not made yet. The maid hasn't been. Isn't that lovely? You have to say that when you're on holiday. So I just wanted to show you what I do with my face when I go out in the sun, because I'm very particular not to get my face in the sun. So I showed you, I think it was last year, a product, a BB cream that's absolutely superb, and it's by Garnier, but a lot of you struggle to be able to get it. And actually, when I tried to find it to go on holiday to Morocco, it seemed like everyone was out of stock of it. Anyway, it turns out that it's now being made by Garnier, but comes under Delisle. Now, I don't know whether you're going to be able to get hold of it, but I managed to find quite a lot of it here in Porto-Banús. So you have to excuse me, sun's in my eyes sat here as well. So I've actually got 2 of these. I get the Factor 50, it's a BB cream, so it actually looks like you've got a foundation. Hello, Bubba. You all right? And so this is what I use on my face, so that's why I've got 2, but I thought I'd show you the box. So it's called BB, it's called Alta, and that's all in Spanish now. So what I do is, I've got nothing on my face, washed my face this morning, so I take around about that much, and this acts as, I mean, I don't put my face in the sun anyway, because I have always a big hat on, a big shade. I always have done, always kept my face out of the sun. But what it allows you to do is get a sun protection factor, but it also makes it look like, I've got a white bikini on today, so it will get a little bit onto that, and I do pull it down onto my décolletage as well. So it gives you a nice coverage on the skin. You can see that. Top to my ears. Really important that I've got my earrings, so that makes it difficult. Always important to get the tops of your ears. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, sweetheart. Yeah, don't sit on it unless you're in the pool. It actually says that on it because you'll pop it. I've got my crocodile from Poundland. I always use Blistex as well for my lips in the sun, just in case. I've got another product. Yes, sweetheart?
When I sit on it in the pool,
yeah.
I fall off it.
Yeah, that's because you're floating on the water. And then Real Rebel, this is by Santilia, and you get this from Ideal World, and this is a moisturiser that actually turns your lips a lovely colour. I've also got, I always put a little bit of a lippy on during the day, only when I first go out, and actually today I've got a little bit of orange on. So I'm going for an orange lip, and hang on. Now something else that I use is this, it's by MAC, and it's actually a blusher, but it's a cream blusher, and I have it in orange and I have it in pink, depending. Frankie Jack, just watch yourself, just wait a minute, just wait 2 minutes, then you can show them your ball. Just wait 2 minutes, sweetheart, that's it, good boy. And then I just use a little bit of cream on my cheeks, and then yes, it gets washed off during the day, but it's all right for just the start of the day, so it just gives you a little bit of a glow to your cheeks. So that's what I do for going down the pool during the day. So really quick, really easy. So I've used Delisle Factor 50, which is a BB cream. So a BB cream gives you a better coverage, so it's almost like a very light foundation. For my lip today, I've actually gone with a MAC, and I've gone with So Short. That's my MAC one, but I've also got Triple Coral by, oh, who's TF? I can't think who TF is. Flipping heck, who's TF? Where's my brain gone? That's a famous designer, and I can't think of it. I can't think who it is. TF. Tom Ford. God, lose my brain. MAC, and I've gone with I think it's High Links or High Unks, which is the, but don't forget, if I'm wearing something that's got a little bit more of a pinky colour, that's what I would go with. Something else I want to show you, which we've just got at Ideal World, which is absolutely amazing, This is a tan cream. It's an SPF 50. It's an instant bronzer as well. So when you put it on your skin, so this will be really good. If you can't get hold of this, I mean, this one is something that I've just been using for years, so you kind of get used to what you're using. But this is a high protection. It also gives you a slight, I think it's a CC, so colour corrector cream, not a BB. And it also gives you a gradual tan as well for the sun. So that's really worth going for as well. Really beautiful, beautiful consistency as well when it's on the skin. And of course it gives you a really good, so that will give you colour over time of using it, so then you're not having to bake in the sun. I don't normally go in the sun much at all. I use fake tans when I'm on holiday, purely and simply because I don't want that aging skin. But of course, when I've got a 4-year-old now, I'm in the pool all the time, so I am getting colour this year, which I don't normally go for. But anyway, those are my creams. So that, I use that on my lips. I also use the MAC, I use the Tom Ford, I've got the other MAC, and then don't forget your Blistex as well. So that's what I do for when I'm going down by the pool. I've also got some really cheap earrings in. These are the pearls from a packet that I got from Primark. I'll probably wear my pearl bracelets as well with the outfit that I've got today. So I tend not to, you can see that I haven't got my wedding ring. It's very rare that I'll wear that down by the pool. I don't wear my wedding bangle either, and that's purely because actually when you're in the water, it destroys and breaks down the metal and the white gold that you're wearing. So I don't want it to discolour, because I've only just had them redipped. I have them redipped every 12 months. So I tend to take them off and just put them in the safe when I'm on holiday, and then I just wear them out at night. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope that makes a difference to you, because I know I've had a few people say, oh, what do you do when you're on holiday? What's your holiday mode, etc. So I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and to subscribe you press the button. I think it's here. I got used to it, but I don't know, it's either here or here. And please don't forget to share to friends and family, and I will see you soon. Love you lots. Bye bye. Thumbs up as well, it'd be great.